In this video, I will show you how to edit a PDF in Google Drive on iPhone. First of all, you need to have an application to edit your PDF file on your iPhone. Now go to Google Drive, choose the file you want to edit, and then tap on the three dots and choose Open In. It will show you a bunch of different applications. Now you will choose the PDF file editing app. Now you can adjust your file. You can cite the contracts or take notes on your PDF file or even highlighting on the keywords. More than that, you can add text anywhere on your file by tapping on the screen. So this is how you edit your PDF file on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.